Ndewo YouTubers, you're welcome to today's episode of Imo Asusu Igbo. Today's topic will focus on ụfọdụ ihe ndị Igbo na-eri, some of those things Igbo people eat, and we're going to look at mushroom, mushroom. There are different types across all Igbo land: ero buba, ero timbolimbo, ero atakatelo, and so on. So today's hot topic is going to be on this special kind of mushroom. So, ero atakatelo is very common in every part of Nigeria. You can see it in Lagos, see it in Abia, Anambra, and so many other places, and it's mostly found on logs, dead logs of wood. In the rainy season, it can be seen very rampant everywhere, especially when a tree has been cut down and the tree is drying up under the sun. So this mushroom just tend to grow on such logs. So this is how we prepare it for eating. We shred it into different pieces. We shred it this way. So it's hard because even after cooking it's still hard. That is why the name is called ero atakatelo. You chew it, and after chewing, when you're tired of chewing, you just swallow it. So the next mushroom we're going to look at now is ero nti mbolimbo. So this mushroom got its name because of its nature. It's like ears. It's as soft as a baby's ears, and it's soft, hence getting the name ero nti mbolimbo. Mushrooms just like the soft ears. Okay, so this mushroom is not seen almost anywhere, and is also seen on or found on logs of wood that are dried. Now this head is usually cut off when we want to clean it. We cut it off because it carries enough sand. We cut it off when we want to clean it. So these are some kinds of special foods the Igbo people eat. So one thing about all these mushrooms is that we cut off the head of it. That's where it is being grown. Yes, this part where I'm touching actually. So we cut it off so it don't look dirty in the food we are cooking. So after cooking, it's still soft. Next is achara. Elephant grass. Achara. Though not most Igbo people eat it, but especially people of Abia, Umuahia, they eat it a lot. It's one of their special delicacies. So this is how we do it. We cut off those soft layers of soft parts of the achara. The outer part of it is usually hard, and I'll say it has hairs or kind of in Igbo we call it amorinwo, because it itches when you use it to touch another part of your body. It itches. So you keep peeling it, and when you get to the soft part, you cut it off. You peel the outer layer again, and when you get to the hard part, you remove it and then cut off the soft part like it is in the video. So this is how achara is being prepared, and this is how it's going to look like. This is how the soft part, and this is the hard part. So you can see the hairy stuff on it that makes someone itch when touching it.